octal to hexadecimal number. Let's say this is the given octal number. Now we have to convert this number to hexadecimal. To do this, write this number like this. Now convert this number to binary number and write this in 3 bit. So in 3 bit, 1 is 001, then 000, 6 is 110, 1 is 001, 7 is 111, and for 2 we have to write 010. Now divide this binary number in 4 bit from the right side. Now 00, ignore this. Okay. So 1000, we can write it as 8. 1100, we can write it as C. 0111, it is 7, and 1010, it is A. Because we know that A is 1010, B is 1011, C 1100, D 1101, and this is F1111. It is actually 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So this is how we have to convert any octal number to hexadecimal number.